Hey there, fellow CS2 enthusiasts. Today we've got a valuable tutorial for you on how to cap your FPS in CS2. Capping FPS can help stabilize your gameplay, prevent overheating, and optimize your gaming experience. But before we jump into the action, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And it keeps you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back. And we appreciate your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on this journey with all of you once again. Okay, let's get right into capping FPS in Counter-Strike 2 because obviously it holds a significant importance for several reasons. Okay, number one, FPS capping ensures a consistent and stable gaming performance by limiting the number of frames rendered per second. You prevent fluctuations in performance that can occur with uncapped FPS, leading to a smoother gameplay. Also, it can reduce the workload on your GPU and CPU, and the reduced strain on your hardware helps prevent overheating, which can lead to performance throttling, system instability, and potential long-term damage. Lowering your FPS can also lead to energy savings. GPUs and CPUs consume less power when rendering fewer frames, reducing your overall energy consumption and environmental impact. Capping FPS ensures a consistent gaming experience regardless of your hardware's capabilities. It levels the playing field so players with different setups have a similar experience, promoting in fairness in multiplayer games. And most of the time, FPS capping can help reduce screen tearing, an issue where two different frames are displayed simultaneously, creating visual artifacts. By capping FPS to match your monitor's refresh rate, you achieve smoother, tear-free visuals, right? Because in the long run, excessive workload, especially when running at very high FPS, can accelerate the wear and tear on your hardware components. Capping FPS helps extend the lifespan of your GPU and CPU, saving you money in replacements or upgrades, right? So who wouldn't want that? A stable and capped FPS allows you to focus on the gameplay itself rather than the constantly worrying about, performance fluctuations. It can lead to improved decision making, better aim, and an overall more enjoyable gaming experience, right? So in competitive gaming, though, and esports tournaments, FPS limits are often imposed to create a level playing field and ensure fair competition. Capping FPS in practice helps you to adapt to these limits during official matches, right? So all you gotta do is go and hover down to the settings here and go to the game options. So you should click if you wasn't able to click the enable developer console, you have to click yes, and then you hover down to keyboard mouse, and then you assign bind and toggle console. And after that, when you receive games, all you gotta do is bring out your console, and let's type in. Let's set the value for now 0 to cap it off. But I just wanted to let you know that you can assign numerous values here. It's up to your preference, but for the sake of the video, let's set it to 0. All right, that's it. That's how you cap FPS in practice or in competitive gaming or in casuals. Once again, capping FPS gives you so much advantage, right? And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments if you have any suggestions on topics you wanted us to cover, especially in CS2 topics. And we would like to thank our sponsors for today's video. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.